Mina ngisindisiwe Zikalala.
My name is CINDISWA.mp4.
Ngihlala eVovenkop.
I'm staying in Vovenkop.
Umsebenzi engiwenzakho ngisebenza emphakathini bakery.
I'm working for St. Joseph Care and Support Trust. I'm baking bread in a bakery.
Ngisehlanganeni lebizwa ukuthi iKhuthalani.
I'm working
General
for Kuthalani.
General Corporation.
General Corporation.
Lapha sihlangana sibomama.
We're a group of 4 women.
Manje sabona ukuthi kungcono senze something for umphakathi wethu.
We were thinking of starting something for the community.
Then we saqala ngokuya esikolweni.
We first started at the school.
Ukuthi sikline isikole for abantwana bethu.
Cleaning the school.
Manje emva kwalapho sasesibona ukuthi ngoba sihlangene singenzani into ezolwa nobuphuya.
After that, we thought of something which can be helpful, so that there can be less of poverty in the community.
Project yebaking.
That is when we started the baking project. That is what we are doing at the present moment.
Kusho ukuthi kuqala kwethu sesihlangene saqala esikoleni primary isikole sakhona la eVovenkop.
When we met, we were cleaning the school.
Saqala saqhubeka saklina vele sithi isikole sibe clean.
We made sure that the school is always clean.
Then sasiba nembono ukuthi senze siqaleke lokuthi sesizobheka. Sancedwa umuntu.
As we were together, the vision of baking started there, and Khomotso was also part of it. She helped us to initiate the project.
Saqala sahlangana wafika umuntu sacela sizo ukuthi sifuna njengabo mama kuhlangana.
We met as women, and that is when we started to discuss about the bakery project, and Khomotso joined us then.
Wasipha imibono.
She even gave us ideas on how to go about.
Saqala sabhaka amabuns.
We started baking buns
ekhaya
at home.
Sibuye sihlale lana kule stand sangakhiwa sithengisa amabuns.
And we used to come here in this stand before this building. We were selling the buns in this yard.
Kwase sebakhake into ukuthi sibakhele.
Then they built that brick. It's a there was nobody who was doing anything in Vovenkop, so that's what actually motivated us.
Sabona lokuthi umphakathi kufanele ube nesomething yawo njengabo mama.
So we realized as women that it will be best for Vovenkop to do something for itself. That is when we decided to continue with the project. Khomotso was very helpful because she connected us with St. Joseph. We continued from there, baking our bread. Then the community realized that we are baking bread, and they came to buy from us. That is when the project started. The community buys the bread.
Breakfast, lunch boxes.
We also prepare breakfast for the orphans and also lunch boxes.
And in St. Joseph is from
St. Joseph Care and Support Trust also buys bread from us and give also to their patients.
Kufanele nihlangane enisakhona xoxisana uthole ukuthi kakhulu emakhaya ethu kunezinto othola ukuthi umama yena ngeke akwenze lokho kufanele kwenze ubaba manje kuhlangana nabo mama abathola ukuthi omunye yakwenza ubone ukuthi nami ngingakwenza kusifundise kuningi.
The project has brought a lot of change in our lives, because as women we don't only bake, but we do share our problems. Sometimes we do discuss our family problems that we have at home with our husbands, and we are able to do things now which we were unable to do before. Yes, things which were done by men, even at home, especially because of what the bread is doing for us, like the income that we get. We are able to do some other things.
Labantwana masiqala kubanika isinko kuseni, labanye bakhona bebahlala ngathi bayagula vele, sabona ukuthi bayagula.
Okay, she said that before these children were given bread, they were not so well in health. They were as if they were sick, but now it's much better.
Kusho ukuthi babafika ekuseni siyababheka ukuthi ba-clean for ukuya esikoleni or i-captain yabo i-clean, sibancede vele.
Before they go to school, we make sure that they are clean, and the lunch boxes are also clean before they give them the bread.
Phakathi kwalabantwana kukhona ama-teenagers, so siyazama kuwakhokhela ukuthi abaye esikolweni and banamathele i-St. Joseph ngoba iyabasiza for ikusasa labo.
Among the children there are teenagers, and we advise the teenagers most of the time to go to school and never play around, and they must also be knowledgeable about St. Joseph.
Esikhathi sethu siyasithengisa ngeliviki sivama kuba nabo 4,000.
We are making 4,000 per month.
Per week. Ngeliviki sivame kuthengisa sibe na 4,000 rand ngeliviki.
Weekly we make 4,000 rand.
Siyakhona kuba nemali ukuthi sikhona kube nesitoko lesi enough. Siphinde futhi sisale siyishare for emakhaya ethu.
There is a lot of change, especially when we work a lot, because in that income that we make sure that there is money for stock, and we also share the money among ourselves, which is also useful in our homes.
Njengabomama emakhaya kunesidingo uthole ukuthi ubaba uyasebenza imali yakhe ayifinyeleli, then thina siyakhona ngokufundisa.
Our husbands are working, but you'll find out that the money that they are making is not enough. So with the money that we get from the project, we combine with our husbands and we are able to meet the household's needs.
Umphakathi uyithandile kakhulu into lesenzayo. Bayeza abanye bomama bafuna ukufunda ukubheka, labanye bafuna ukuthi bawuhlangana ngeviki ngenyanga siyaba nabo bomama about 4 ukuthi bafuna kwazi ukubheka, abanye baqale yabo iproject.
A lot of women in the community are very much interested in what we are doing. We sometimes get visitors among these women who are interested in learning to bake. It can be about 4 people a month.
Kusho ukuthi into engiyifundile ukuthi kuhlangana kuyanceda kakhulu, ukucabanga uyi-one kuyagulisa, and uma nihlangene niyakhona ukuthwalisana. Into kakhulu engiyibonile siyabambisana ngobona.
What I've learned is that if you are doing something with other people, it is much easier than when you are doing things alone, because it is frustrating and you can easily get tired when you are alone than doing something by yourself. But when you are with others, you share ideas and you also share problems that you have, and that is much easier.
Abomama asifani, lobona ukuthi uma uyi-one ubone ukuthi wena uhlupheka kwendlula labanye kakhulu, or wena ngekukhona ekufinyelela kulezi zinga leli labanye bafinyelela kubo. So kuhlangana kwethu kusinike ukuthi no man, akusini ngedwa isikhathi esiningi.
What I've also learned is that we have different problems as women, but when you meet with other women, you are able to see that you are not alone in your struggles. You are able to share problems.
Lokubalekile masibomama lekufundile ukuthi kufanele sibekezele ungabambi into uyiyekele, ubekezele until ngoba siqale ngo-2003 kodwa size sathola imali ngo-2010 ngoFebruary.
What I've learned as a woman is that you must be patient, because it is not good to be impatient. If you want to start a project, you must start it and continue with it and learn to be patient, and you must not give it up on the way. And our project started in 2002. I've learned to be patient since then, because the first income was in 2010 February.
Ngaphandle lengakusho ukuthi bomama hlanganani angekukhona kuba yiwani.
Okay. I'm advising women out there to meet and have these ideas of starting something and be one.